Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert double lines dash arrow in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert double lines dash arrow in this document. Go to the insert menu. Then click shapes drop down menu. And we can see here many shape. We select the double line arrow. Then draw this shape. Then click the shape and go to the format menu. Then click shapes outline and choose dashes drop down menu and choose dash. Then again go to the shape outline and choose wide and increase the wide this arrow to see better on this double line dash arrow. Now we can see here we insert double line dash arrow very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.